Usually don't make 2 videos a day, but I made my first video today very early, so I'm going to make mine at 9:13. And in today's video, we're going to play a fidget spinner game. Floppy fidget spinner. Oh crap. Please don't just be a regular game with a clickbait name. Oh crap. I feel like it's now a clickbaited game. Comment down below if you think this is a clickbaited game before you watch. Oh crap. Oh yes, allow. If I get any achievements. But I won't get any achievements. Select spinner to play. This is fast. These are fast, okay. Well, technically the green one's kind of cool. How does this work? So it's like Flappy Bird, but with a fidget spinner. See, this world is weird these days. They made a Flappy Bird with a fidget spinner. Who would do that? Guys, comment down below what's your high score on this, if you even play it. I thought this game was gonna be fun. I thought that game was gonna be fun. Comment down below if you've ever played this game. I'm just saying, I recommend to play it. It's actually, I want to see if there's any like special things, like in Flappy Bird, if you get a special height. Well, like in the first original Flappy Bird, do you know Flappy Bird was actually made by a mistake? That thing was moving, not fair. Or are they purposely moving forward? They are moving forward, so go. Why is it always this ad? Comment down below if you actually have War of Colony. And tell me if I should play it. Wait, no, I probably shouldn't, because my topic's only fidget spinners. Okay. Let's try this. I'm not really looking, so. Okay. Yeah, I had to shut my front door. Oh, I thought I got 2 points. I was going to say, how? I didn't even look. Oh. Okay, I'm going to watch some of this ad. I've never seen this ad. Just saying, I don't recommend watching all of their ads, because some ads are not even like the game. Like the X zombie game, it is not like what it shows. Yes, 3. Ah!
Detective, there's been a murder. Case.
Oh, I knew that this was criminal case, but I thought in the picture it was like a baby and someone else. I'm like blind. If I saw that, if I saw that, I am blind. Comment down below if you saw that too. Cause at first it did look like a baby game. Okay guys, I'm sorry that this video is short, but this is the terriblest game I've ever played. Don't even look at this one, it's gonna be a terrible score. Beat my score! And then it shows this. It doesn't even show a score. I hate this game now. Yes, started. Share. Yeah. Okay, this is my last time. If I beat 3, I will be surprised. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. Like and subscribe.